all have passions we have put on hold, waiting for the right moment, a bold challenge, a delayed adventure, versions of us still unknown. But why wait? Bring them into the light. Live as you are, not just as you must. Like a protagonist. Your story starts now.
The protagonist. That's a bold claim. The thing is, we were all born the protagonist of our own story. It's just that over time, life led the way. Still, our passions never left. They've just been searching for the right spark. Now, it's time to take control once more, to make the most of every moment and pursue what our hearts desire with the all-new Kia Seltos. Every story starts with presence. The kind that draws attention. It's bold in style. And captivating in every way. Seamlessly integrated into every part of your life. Its infinite shades reflect your true self. Versatile by nature, outstanding on every road. This authentic SUV awakens the protagonist in us all.
What does it mean to live like a protagonist? Career success? Family happiness?
These certainly help, but they're not the whole story. To live as a protagonist is to embrace even the passions we once set aside. And all it takes is the right spark to make them real.
The all-new Kia Seltos blends practical features with stylish design, giving you that extra boost of confidence on the road to your next challenge. And that's what makes this SUV so outstanding. Stylish and practical. It makes your next achievement feel not just possible, but inevitable.
Yeah, just came to check on a couple of things. I had a passion I'd kept to myself. It was then I decided, no more waiting. Hey Kia, what's the best way to train my stamina for boxing?
To train your stamina for boxing,
to go after. And look straight at what I've been longing for. To awaken the passion I've kept deep within. But that moment on stage, the tension, the excitement. And the feeling of achievement all collided. Yeah, just finished the match. On my way now. I finally took the wheel with the full strength of my potential.
Well, that's one accomplished protagonist's life. But living like a protagonist doesn't always require big achievements.
Sometimes it's simply acting on the little things you've been wanting.
A little break, or a spontaneous trip. Seltos brings that life closer.
Smart technologies that bring a sense of lightness to your drive. Spacious, versatile interior for true openness. With Seltos, you get to have more time to enjoy every destination and every moment along the way. In short, more freedom.
It was just any other day. When I felt like making it special. A day when we felt free. How was your day?
Tough, but I'm glad to see you're in good mood.
Yeah. I was just thinking, how about we go to the beach?
You've read my mind.
Hey, Kia, what's the most beautiful beach nearby?
One of the most beautiful beaches nearby.
A little escape from the everyday. A moment to simply relax. Here in the freedom of everyday life. To do whatever we want, whenever we want.
Don't they look so good together? You see, being a protagonist doesn't mean standing alone. Sometimes you got someone by your side. Flexible and capable, these protagonists make room for others. Just like Seltos.
So flexible, you can pack in everything. Gear, luggage, and of course, good company. And no destination is off limits. From city streets to rugged trails, the path is yours to choose.
That's the power of the Seltos. Creating room, not just to go further, but to grow closer.
Any recommendations?
Can you touch the sky there?
You mean from the mountains? At the top, you might. These days, my son is brimming with questions. Questions that remind me of things I'd long forgotten.
I want to go there too.
How about tomorrow? Honey, let's go. We're late. you ready to touch the sky? Today, something shifted. We connected in a new way, not just as mother and son. But as friends, sharing an adventure. I'm glad we set up together. And I can't wait to see where we head off to next. So, are you ready to go?
There's still countless stories, all waiting for the right moment. With Seltos, you get to write each line your own way, in your own moment. As the protagonist, you are. This SUV is authentic and outstanding in every way, empowering your true self. The all-new Kia Seltos.
Kia, movement that inspires.